Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Lance. It is Monday, April 6, 2020. Hope you had a fabulous weekend. I imagine you were at home over the weekend, unless you are a healthcare professional, healthcare worker, in which you're not listening to me right now. You imagine you're probably very busy because these are our heroes. These are our warriors in the front lines. They're just doing a fabulous, tremendous job on keeping the death rate down and helping our afflicted citizens. So I just want to make a shout out for them, just doing an outstanding job. So thank you. You know, this week's about cash, and I want to go ahead and announce we got two webinars this week: Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. First one's about cash, getting cash from the government. The first one's about getting cash from private investors. On Wednesday, myself and my co-host Randy Lubke, independent financial advisor, are going to be interviewing SBA lending consultant about how you can get access to the stimulus money that's been approved by Congress at $2.2 trillion. There's multiple programs, and if you are a landlord, if you are a small business owner, if you are self-employed, even if you're a one-person show, you want to be on this webinar about how you get access to grant money, forgivable loans, low interest money. It's put there to stimulate the economy. It's been put there to see us through this crisis, and it's there for your use. So it's all opened up. Applications are being taken. And so join me on this webinar Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern. On Friday, we're going to talk about cash from private investors. As a landlord, this is cash you can use as reserves. If you're low on reserves, to see you through this. If you're acquiring property or intend to be acquiring property coming out of this, which you should be, you need to have the skill set and the toolkit of how to raise funds from private investors. I'm going to be teaching you the Raising Private Money formula. That's on Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Look for your invitations via email or our social media platforms. This week's all about cash, how to use it, and more importantly, how to get it, how to access it all, practically unlimited amounts right now. Have a great week, everyone.